Welcome to the world of mathematics. Dive into the wonders of maths with Mind Over Maths channel. Let's get started.
Testing of hypothesis. Procedure. Step 1. Set up a null hypothesis H naught. Set up a null hypothesis H naught. So, step 2. Alternative hypothesis is defined. Alternative hypothesis defined after a careful study of the problem. So decide whether the test is one-tailed or two-tailed test. So one-tailed test means we will have two, a right-tailed test and left-tailed test. So, this is based on completely the normal probability curve. So, if you draw the normal curve, this is a normal curve. If the region is here, the critical region is here, we will call it as alpha, and this region we will call it as acceptance region, which is 1 minus alpha. So the sum of the probability is nothing but 1. So this one we will call it as a right-tailed test. This is a right-tailed curve, probability curve test. The point which is on the right side. Similarly, for the left-tailed, the point will be on the left. So we will call this to be a critical region, which is alpha. This will be the acceptance region, which is 1 minus alpha. So we call this curve to be left-tailed test. Similarly, two-tailed. Two-tailed, the points will be on both sides. Corresponding the region will be critical region. This also will be a critical region, and this will be accepted region. So, for the two-tailed test, this value will be alpha by 2. And this will be alpha by 2. This will be 1 minus alpha. So altogether you get the total probability to be 1. So this is the picturized for the test, how to identify. So this is step 2. Now step 3 is level of significance, which is denoted by LOS, which is alpha. So alpha can be 5% or 1% or 10%. We can find Z alpha normal tables. So what is that normal table? This is the normal table. So here we will identify the type of test. Here we will identify the type of test. Two-tailed test, right-tailed test, and left-tailed test. Here you will have 1%, 5%, and 10%, which is level of significance denoted by alpha percentage. So the values can be calculated accordingly from the normal table. So these are the values. So right-tailed test. Here it is mod z alpha is mod z alpha is 2.58, z alpha is 2.33, z alpha for left tail is minus 2.33. Similarly for 5%, two-tailed test is 1.96, right tail test 1.645, left tail which is minus. Similarly for 10%, it is a two-tailed test is 1.645, z alpha is 1.28, and the left is minus 1.28. Yeah. Next one is step 4. Step 4, which is computing test statistic. Computing test statistic, which is Z, formula is mod Z, T minus E of T, expectation of T divided by standard error of T, which is normal distribution 0, 1. Standard normal variate. Now, after computing this, the next step is compare computed Z and Z alpha. Now, step 6 is conclusion. This you have to compare at how many percentage? Alpha equal to 5% or 1%. Conclusion, mod Z less than Z alpha means we accept H naught, completely we will reject H1, alternative hypothesis. When mod Z is greater than Z alpha, we reject the null hypothesis H naught and accept the alternative hypothesis H1. So this is the procedure for testing of hypothesis.
Thanks for watching Mind Over Maths channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.